Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. We're covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed lower today. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,414.95, down 45 points. The Nasdaq Composite fell the most, dropping 176 points to 21,279. The Dow maintains a very strong positive trend despite falling 249 points. Market breadth was notably negative today. In the S&P 500, decliners outpaced advancers by more than 3 to -1. The Nasdaq saw similar weakness with 2,020 declining stocks versus 1,081 advancing. The Russell 2000 showed broad weakness with nearly 3 times more decliners than advancers. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite leads with a 20% gain over the past year. The S&P 500 follows with a 13.5% return. The S&P 400 mid-cap shows the strongest monthly performance, up 4.3%. Among sectors, energy led gainers, rising 0.23% and marking its fourth straight positive close. Consumer defensive and healthcare also finished higher, though with modest gains under 0.1%. Real estate led decliners, falling 1.7%. Industrials dropped 1%, while technology fell nearly 1% amid increased downward volatility. Consumer cyclical maintains a strong upward trend despite today's 0.94% decline. In global markets, Mexico led gains, rising 1.5% to reach a new one-year high. Thailand and New Zealand followed with gains over 1%. India and Hong Kong posted moderate gains despite showing flat price action recently. Year to date, Mexico leads global markets with a 34% return, while Hong Kong follows with a 28% gain. Thailand shows weakness with a 4% decline this year, despite today's positive performance. Major tech stocks showed weakness today, with all closing lower. NVIDIA led the decline, dropping 1.9% amid strong downward volatility and marking its fourth consecutive down day. Amazon broke downward after 3 days of flat trading. Meta platforms experienced some downward volatility, though all companies maintain their overall positive trends.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 111,181 with a gain of 1,940, up 1.7%. Solana shows notable strength, rising 4.8% to 206.91. BNB and Solana both display very strong positive trends. Ethereum is slightly down at 4,299, while Dogecoin remains in consolidation around 0.21.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad strength against major currencies today. The US dollar has strengthened notably against sterling, rising 0.84 pence amid very strong upward volatility. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar broke higher after 3 days of consolidation, advancing 1.23 yen. The euro and Swiss franc both saw modest dollar gains of about 0.5%.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports. And check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.